Several universities were forced to move final exams online, Apple shut down some of its stores temporarily, and long lines formed at many testing clinics in New York City, scenes reminiscent of the early days of the pandemic, as the threat of a new wave of COVID-19 brought renewed disruption. A jump in positive tests has also left 3 major North American sports leagues scrambling to control outbreaks. While the Delta variant remains responsible for the vast majority of U.S. cases, Omicron has turned up in at least 36 states, and the numbers are growing fast. U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention Director Rochelle Walensky.
We expect to see the proportion of Omicron cases here in the United States continue to grow in the coming weeks. Early data suggests that Omicron is more transmissible than Delta, with a doubling time of about 2 days.
While much is still not known about the new variant, White House officials said the country would not go back into lockdown and grade schools would remain open, saying existing protocols like indoor masking and boosters put the country in a much better position than a year ago. Health officials elsewhere were striking a more dire tone. In the UK, which hit its highest number of daily cases at any time during the pandemic, Chief Medical Officer Chris Whitty said Omicron was a serious threat.
It is moving at an absolutely phenomenal pace.
And in Canada, top health officials advised against international travel.
We know that this may sound very drastic to many listening, but we must avoid overloading our hospital system and our healthcare workers.
Boosters reconstitute the antibody titers and enhance the vaccine protection against Omicron.
One positive development, Dr. Anthony Fauci Wednesday said booster doses of the currently available COVID-19 vaccines work against Omicron, and there appears to be no need for a variant-specific booster. Though without the booster, all 3 U.S. authorized COVID-19 vaccines appear to be significantly less protective against Omicron in laboratory testing than against previous variants.